When it comes to implementing the pricing feature in the PrebuiltML software, every company and organization will be a little bit different. But let's take a minute and review some of the general guidelines for how to effectively implement the pricing feature in your organization. To start with, identify a limited group in your organization. Don't try to roll out the pricing feature to your entire organization at once. Instead, pick a small group of people, a single store, or perhaps a small group of stores that tend to do things in the same fashion. Work with the PrebuiltML customer support to create a customized template for this limited group so that they can create their material lists in a template or in an atmosphere that is familiar to them. Train those new users in the use of the software, allowing them to get used to the features and the flow of the program. And also have those new users begin to complete live jobs in the software without trying to use the integrated pricing. Having 5 to 10 projects that make use of the materials and products that you would typically use will be very helpful as you move into step 2. Secondly, create the PID file. This is the product information database that was discussed earlier. Having this product information database populated with SKU mapping and pricing information will allow the PrebuiltML software to price out your material lists. You can hone and validate the work that you've done in the PID file by testing it against some of the completed projects that your users have already done. You'll want to establish a central location for the product information database that all of your users, all of your estimators, can access at the same time. And finally, you will need to identify a system for the PID file maintenance. When SKUs that have not been used before or mapped need to be addressed, or when pricing updates need to be made, a system should be in place for having this accomplished. Third, move on to using the PID file for live jobs. Start using it on live projects and material lists that you create. And as you do, you can update the product information database with more information as it is needed to make your material list pricing complete. And finally, as you reach success in that smaller limited group, begin then to expand that process to others. Once again, work with PrebuiltML customer support to create a customized template for each different region, allowing them to create material lists in an environment that is familiar to them, and train those new users in the software use. By following these general guidelines, you'll be able to more effectively implement the PrebuiltML pricing feature in your organization.